In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add friends here in Subway Surfers. Before we dive into this, if you could like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, it really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more Subway Surfers content just like this. But if you want to play with friends here in Subway Surfers, here's how you can do it the easy way. Begin by opening up the Subway Surfers apps, and then up in the top right, just below your high score, you're going to see the section that says Top Run. Go ahead and select it. It's going to pull up a page that looks something like here. At the very bottom of this page, and you don't have to scroll at all, it's just automatically going to be down here. Simply go ahead and click on this Friends option just like so. Now to actually add friends, you just need to simply click Add Friends just like this, and you're going to see a few different ways to add someone. Firstly, you can type in their player tag just like so, and then search for them. But let's be honest, those tags are long and kind of hard to type. The second method is actually clicking on this QR code, and then you can actually send this to people by just taking a screenshot, and all they have to do is instantly scan it to add you. In fact, you guys can add me on here if you would like. Or you can also just tap on this little share button just like so, and you could send it to whoever you would like. It's going to send them a link through something like Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, text, and once they click on it, you're going to be instantly connected. But yeah, that's it. It's super simple. If this video did help you out, make sure to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more Subway Surfers tips and tricks, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.